पिछले 5 साल के आंकड़े अगर देखें तो कैंसर डिजीज में किस तरीके से बढ़ोतरी हुई है और उसके पीछे की कुछ वजह है जो हम लोग जानते भी हैं। खाने में एडल्ट्रेशन किस तरीके से बढ़ी, हम आए दिन न्यूज़ सुनते रहते हैं कि यहाँ इतनी नकली पनीर पकड़ी गई, यहाँ मेवा पकड़ा गया, फलाना ढिकाना। हम लोग तमाम चीज़ें एडल्ट्रेशन को लेकर के, पेस्टिसाइड यूज ऑफ पेस्टिसाइड्स कितना बढ़ा है। ऐसे में ऐसी बीमारियों से कैसा बचा जाए, फूड हैबिट्स में किस तरीके की चीज़ों को इंक्लूड किया जाए?
Yeah, that's a very good question, I think. For to prevent cancer, first of all, I think lifestyle is very important. Healthy lifestyle. So when I say lifestyle, it includes eating healthy, exercising regularly, sleeping adequately, managing your stress very well, keeping social connectedness, and avoiding substance abuse. So all of these come under lifestyle medicine, which is fairly new in India, but it's picking up very well now. Now, coming to food and cancer. Cancer is nothing but inflammation in the body, and that is caused by unhealthy eating habits. What we need to do is normally the high sugar, high fat, high sodium foods cause, particularly sugar and high fat foods cause a lot of inflammation in the body, and that over a period of time can lead to cancer. So we need to reduce the inflammatory foods, which means we need to eat the anti-inflammatory foods, which are nothing but fruits, vegetables, spices. I mean, Indian food is so well known for the use of spices. What you get in your kitchen, jeera, rai, methi, and what else? The masala powders, sambar masala, rasam powder, and what else? Garam masala. Everything has spices and everything has antioxidants. Haldi, which we use regularly in our cooking, asafoetida, that is hing. All of these have anti-inflammatory properties which can be used regularly in our diets. But what has happened is we have moved away from eating Indian foods to eating Western foods. They don't contain the kind of spices and herbs that we use every day. So it's very important to not just eat vegetables, fruits, and include spices, but also eat a lot of fiber. And where does fiber come from? It comes from whole pulses like chana, tur, moong, matki, and rajma. All of these whole pulses have a lot of fiber. Nuts have a lot of fiber like almonds, and seeds like til and sunflower seeds and alsi, all of them have a lot of fiber. So include all these foods in your daily diet. Fiber, vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, all these play a major role in keeping cancer away.